Are your current marketing strategies giving you the results you desire for your business? It's not uncommon to feel like you're spinning your wheels, stuck in a marketing rut. Traditional methods may feel safe, but they can also be costly, time-consuming, and less effective than you'd like. Maybe you're struggling to reach your target audience, or perhaps the return on investment just isn't there. Whatever the issue may be, it's clear that something needs to change. Perhaps it's time to consider a fresh approach. Enter the world of digital marketing, a game changer in the business sphere. Digital marketing, at its core, is about connecting with your customers where they spend most of their time, online. It's a multifaceted approach that uses various platforms like social media, emails, and search engines to reach a wider audience. Imagine a local bakery, barely making ends meet with traditional marketing. After embracing digital marketing, they saw a significant surge in sales, and their customer base expanded beyond their local community. They could track the performance of their ads in real time, understand what worked and what didn't, and adjust their strategies accordingly. This agility is a unique advantage of digital marketing, allowing businesses to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing market. The results speak for themselves. Digital marketing has the power to transform businesses. It's not just about survival, but about flourishing in a digital world where opportunities are endless. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level? It's time to seize the potential of digital marketing. Imagine the increased visibility, the heightened customer engagement, the boost in sales. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a necessity in our digital age. The world is online, and your business should be too. Embrace the power of digital marketing and watch as your business flourishes in ways you never thought possible. Don't wait another moment. Transform your business with digital marketing today.